Students, here we discuss two things, pH and active mass. I am Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel. All the best. What is the pH of 10 to power minus 5 H2SO4? So since H2SO4 is strong electrolyte, so completely ionized. As H2SO4 gives you how many H ion there? 2 H. So twice of H positive and SO4 2 negative will be there. So given molar concentration is 10 to power minus 5. So twice of 10 to power minus 5 H positive is formed and 10 to power minus 5 SO4. Same as in H2SO4, same moles of this SO4 sulfate ion is obtained. But H positive ions twice of this. And here since it is molar concentration, so I am saying that molar concentration of this. So we find out that molar concentration of H positive is equal to 2 into 10 to power minus 5 we can write down. Okay, so pH is equal to minus log of H ion concentration. Plug the value of H positive over here. So pH is equal to minus log of 2 into 10 to power minus 5. Rewrite this equation, that is pH is equal to plus 5 log base 10 minus log 2. So it will be 5 minus log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Answer will be 4.699. So pH we got it, 4.699. Now 120 gram of urea is prepared by in 4 liter solution. So find the active mass of urea. Option given, but I told you that active mass will be equivalent to molar mass. We can represent it like this. Active mass is represented like this. This is active mass of hydrogen. This is active mass of hydrogen. We write down like this. This will be active mass of hydrogen. Okay. So here urea, first we should know formula of urea, NH2CONH2. Molar mass will be equal to here 60 gram per mole. Okay, and this is very easy. When you have to multiply, there are 2 nitrogen, so 14 multiplied by 2, 4 hydrogen, so plus 1 into 4 plus atomic mass of carbon, atomic mass of oxygen 16. Add them all together, they will be 60. Now active mass means molar concentration, so molarity we have to calculate, and molarity is equal to weight of solute divided by molar mass, and then this whole will be divided by volume of solution in liter. We can say moles per liter will be the molarity. Okay, moles per liter will be the molarity. So number of moles divided by volume in this volume of solution in liter. So number of moles divided by volume of solution in liter. So it is coming to be 0.5 m. So active mass of urea will be equal to 0.5 m. Okay, so mole per liter, number of moles divided by liter, 4 liter, so we'll get this. Okay, so in this way we are discussing all these questions. Please subscribe.